With our latest release of the Realtrac client, we've included a new feature in our shop floor interface we call the Inspection tab. This feature is designed to let your inspection department be aware in real time of parts currently on the shop floor that may be coming in for inspection soon. This interface is available from both the full and shop floor clients. The Realtrac customer that brought this idea to us is installing a shop floor client in their inspection room with this display on all day long to let the inspectors know that the pieces that are going to be coming in for inspection in the near future. So let's dive in and take a look-see here. From either my shop floor or my full client, click on the shop floor button in the Realtrac toolbar to launch our real-time shop floor interface. Users already familiar with Realtrac 10 may already notice that we have a new third tab on this interface. In addition to our existing workstation status and employee status real-time screens, we now have the inspection tab. The real-time inspection interface itself is broken into two halves. On the left side, we have a view of parts that may be coming in for our first piece inspection, and on the right side, we have parts that may be coming in for their final inspection. So how does Realtrac know that pieces are coming in for inspection? For the first piece inspection, we look at your shop floor employees for any employees that are logged into a setup or a setup run operation. So if we pull open this job here, you'll note that the operation we're showing on display is a setup operation on the router code. Realtrac knows that quite often, as part of your setup process, your shop floor employee will run a piece to confirm that the setup is good. This piece often is inspected by a quality manager or a team before the operation goes into your full run or cycle mode. If the router operation has a route code of setup run, then the very first time your shop floor employee logs into the operation, Realtrac assumes the employee is performing the setup portion of the setup run task. Therefore, the first time the employee logs in, we will show their login on the screen. This differs from a pure setup operation where we will always show the operation every time the employee logs in. Let's just test this out really quick. I'll pull up a job here to show our open setup operation. Here we've got a job. It's waiting for the next op, which happens to be setting up a saw station within our saw work center. Let's have a shop floor employee log into this operation, and we'll see what happens on our display here in real time. I'm going to swivel over to another computer here to log in so we can watch the screen in real time. If you give me 1 second. All right, we should see an update here pop in. So that's pretty cool. We'll know in real time. We get an estimate of how much time is remaining. We get a picture of the piece as well, so our inspectors know what machines may be required in order to inspect that versus your CMM or some manual tools or what have you. On the right side of our interface, we show parts that may be coming in for a final inspection. Realtrac will look at whatever router operation creates your finished pieces, and we'll key off of that to determine the possibility of an upcoming final piece inspection. Thankfully, if we pull up a job here in the Realtrac, we can see that we make it pretty clear which operation is going to be this key operation that actually creates your Realtrac inventory. We place a Sigma symbol next to the router line in question. You'll also see that Sigma symbol when you go to log into the operation on the shop floor. Anytime an employee logs into this key operation, our real-time inspection display will let our quality team know what's going on in real time. They may soon be getting a final piece for some inspection. All right, that's it. Just a quick little overview of this cool new feature. Once again, this feature is included for free for all of our Realtrac customers. The next time you update your software, it will be there for you. If you have a quality team that could be helped out by getting this information in real time, why don't you give us a call and we'd be glad to show you this new feature along with all the other cool things that could help make your business win the race. Thank you very much.